welcome to Harry Does Science. Today we're going to make an indicator, and I've got a big shout out to the Pattersons and the Freezes. All you need to do this, you have to have a red cabbage and a sharp knife and a pan and some chemicals to test it, and then a board. First thing I'm going to do is cut some red cabbage into strips. So, do this.
The camera, yeah.
Now I've got my pan full of water here, and I'm going to put the red cabbage into the pan with water in. I'm going to boil it to 5 to 10 minutes. Now we boil the cabbage. It's the water that we need. You need to get your mum and dad to drain the water into this bowl here. So, and now we've got our indicator. Now we've got our indicator, and you should notice that it smells and it's blue. And then we've got our vinegar here, and then our vanish here, and then just water. These are 3 different chemicals, and they should change my indicator into a different colour. Now I'm going to use my special syringe to suck up the indicator and put it into each 3 different chemicals. So here we go. Oh, that's cool. Pick that bit up. That's amazing. I have no idea this was a thing. Oops. That one's normal. Now, as you can see, my chemicals changed a different colour because they had a different amount of acid in them. And now you guys can try at home too.